Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to install Microsoft Teams on Mac. You can do same process for Windows and Linux and how to use it. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and simply type here Microsoft Teams for Mac and you just simply click here. I already put this link in same video description. So for the desktop and for the mobile application also available for the Android and iOS. So we go with as a desktop. Download Teams, wait couple of seconds. After finish the download, you just simply click twice and then follow my instruction here. Next, install, put it here your system password, and it's very simple process. Almost our installation is done. Welcome to Microsoft Teams, collaboration with co-workers and other people. Create or let's start, and you simply type here your email address, or you can go with as a create a new account. I already make a video how to create Microsoft Teams account. I have already logged in, so I go with my email address or user ID and then type your password. Almost is ready to use for Teams. So look at this, my Microsoft Teams account is ready to chat with, call with and doing interview, some family, workplace or friends. You can invite here. If you want contact with someone or discuss with this, you can copy this link and send someone are easily click and access or connect you very easily. This is a simple process to download, how to log in and how to use. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.